Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our Boxycharm November 2018 unboxing. This box is $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products valued at $70 or more. This box almost, I think every time goes over $70 by a lot. Usually it's over like $100 or more, I want to say. But first, before we get into this box, let me tell you what else I got from Boxycharm this month. So I got this It Cosmetics Secret Sauce Anti-Aging Moisturizer. This is valued at $20, and I got this because somebody used my referral code, and then that person also got this. So almost every month they have some sort of thing where if somebody uses your referral link or you refer someone, you each get a free gift. So I don't know if there's one this month, but if you are ever thinking about signing up for Boxy, it is good to use somebody's referral link, even if you're not using mine, just because there's a possibility you could get this awesome free gift or another free gift. There's always, not always, but a lot of times there are these free gifts for using a referral code. So just wanted to share that with you. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this month's box. Okay, so when you open it up, it always looks just like this. It's got the card with the theme for the month, as well as everything that we'll be getting in the box, and then it's always wrapped in this cool foam to protect everything, which I appreciate. So let's go ahead and see what this month's theme is. Gold Digger. So I'm thinking these women work for Boxycharm, and they are the ones who picked the items for the box. So that's cool. All right, so let's see what the first thing we have is. So the first thing I'm seeing right on top is Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. I really like the packaging. And then right here you can see it's got like glitter on it, so that's cool. Really like that little touch. Okay, so let's see what they look like. So, let's see. Okay, so the style of lashes is called Instaglam, and they are very, very long and I would say dramatic lashes. So that's what they look like. So yeah, I'm not huge on lashes, but I'm always telling myself I want to try wearing them more. So I'm definitely excited to try these out. These are valued at $14.99, so not too expensive of lashes in my opinion. So yeah, excited to have those. Okay, so the next thing I am seeing is from JonteBlu. It is a glittering star eyeliner in the color black. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to hear that, but the ice cream truck is going down the street. Yes, in Arizona, the ice cream truck is like year-round. It's warm enough for ice cream, so it's out there. Okay, so I actually just got a... Here, Josie, you're fine. I actually just got a black liner with silver flecks in it in my my November Ipsy. So let's see. So yeah, this is very similar. I know, Jose. I'm trying to get this might be gold flecks though. That's cool. So it is like an actual pencil. I don't know if you'll be able to see the packaging. So there's the packaging. Like, can you see like the little like stars and like little things on it? So let's see if you'll be able to see the gold flecks in that. Can you see? You see it on there? So I think that's really awesome. That's really awesome for this time of year, you know, with Christmas and festivities and like New Year's, all that stuff. So this is very appropriate. Really excited to try this out. This one is valued at $5. Wow, that's very, very affordable. Cool. Okay, let's see. The next thing I am seeing is from Luxie. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? So this is the Luxie Premium Synthetic Handcrafted Brushes. Okay, so it is a set of 4 brushes right here. The handles are gold. Let me see if I can get that to show. So the handles are like gold and sparkly, really cute. And then there's what the brushes look like. So let's see. Looks like we have a Luxie 141 mini round brush, which I think is this. We have a Luxie 121 mini tapered. I want to say that's this one. Then we have a Luxie 111 mini flat. Possibly this one? And then a 131 mini angled, which is this one. So, excited. I really like getting brushes. These are so cute. And these are valued at $21. So again, not bad for 4 brushes, about $5 a brush. Pretty dang affordable. Okay, let's see. I have 2 more things in here. The next one I'm going to pull out is from CoverFX. This is the CoverFX Glitter Drops in Nova. Whoa, this is like seriously glitter. So here's what it looks like. This is really glittery. So if you are into glitter highlighter, you know what? It's glittery, but it's not like obnoxious glitter. Definitely like more of a warm toned highlighter. I'm not huge into liquid highlighter, but I don't have a highlighter quite like this color, so excited to try this out. Okay, one more thing. Okay, this is from a brand I've never heard of or tried. It says it's cruelty free, so that's cool. It's from Ace Beaute. It is the Grandiose palette. The packaging is really cute. So once it's out of the sleeve, the packaging looks just the same. And then, oh, this is awesome. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the inside. Really nice colors. Okay, so I can go ahead and swatch these for you. There they all are. I really like this color, the poppy, and then the primrose right here. It's like very metallic-y. I will say this color here, the patchouli, is very skin toned for white people. So it's probably good as like a base sort of color. This color is very interesting too, this clove color. It's like a pink almost, pinky orange. So overall, I mean, I'm not gonna lie and say like these are the best swatching shadows I've ever put on my skin, but I do like the colors. I do think they are buildable possibly. And I never just say, oh, if it doesn't swatch well on your arm, then it's not gonna be good. Because there's lots of things that swatch well and are terrible, and there's lots of things that swatch terrible and are awesome. So overall, I'm like pretty excited to play around with this. This palette is valued at $24.99. So overall, like I kind of really love this box. I like everything I got. There's nothing in here where I'm like, I'm never ever gonna use that. The highlighter was like the only sort of like, maybe not, but even still, like it's so different from anything I have that I'm excited to play around with it. Also pretty excited that everything in this box is cruelty free. That always helps me out. I'm not sure about the lashes. I mean, I don't think you test lashes on animals, but maybe you do, so I will research this. But overall, really like this box. Boxycharm always just kills it. Next month I am getting the Boxy Luxe, so I'm excited to see that and review that for you guys and let you know if it's worth it and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.